Going, or you want me to go first?
Okay.
One try, go for it.
You gonna try?
There you go. Yeah, dude, go for it.
Like we can try number 2 here.
Doug, I may need to
Gotta lay down all the way.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna get dirty. There's no qualms about it.
That is so tight.
It is.
Do I go this way or this way?
On your right hand, on your right side. On
Contort.
your right side.
Your other right.
Yeah, there you go. Just hold on to that rock that you have in your left hand. And get your legs way up high. Up out of the hole. There you go.
That's it, Declan. Nice. All right, dude, you got it.
That's it. That's the way to do it.
Well, no, I gotta go through.
I want a water bottle. Going with this?
Throw it up.
No, I can't.
Oh,
He
well,
can't do it.
try harder.
Just drop it down there and we'll grab it.
So close. I got it. I'm gonna throw it through while you're going down. Your legs are gonna get a little wet.
You said go right?
Yes.
Pours water out.
I can hear them back there.
Yeah.
Scared. Not really that.
There he goes.
Hold on.
Who's next?
Alright. No, I gotta try, man.
Yeah, yeah, buddy.
You're not gonna let him do it without you, huh?
Apparently.
Gotta get your feet up out of the hole like he did.
Peer pressure in sums, for instance, is okay.
Yes.
Oh, bro. Oh, heck no.
Just look at that good tour. Oh, where's my
Look at it. Look at it. He's
Yeah,
there.
buddy, you got it.
There's no chance. There's no chance.
Oh, we go right?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, bro, this is so bad.
We're good, because you got it.
Oh, God. Oh my God, that hurt.
All right. He's through.
Look, you Declan.
So can he stand up right now?
No, not yet. He
Okay.
has to go about 15, 20 feet.
Okay.
And then he can stand up.
Oh, left or right at the other passage?
Left.
Left.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get your feet up to do this.
I think I'm at the point of no return here. I don't know if I can do this honestly.
There, Jason. It's all right, buddy.
You'll have to grab one ankle. I'll go to the other and haul him out.
All right, take me to the easy spot.
The easy spot. Okay.
I'm gonna try check.
I have to try.
You have to try. You
I'll
have to
kick
try.
myself if I'm not going to try.
Yeah. At least look at it. Yeah. That rock in
My
there.
seal.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, Jason, can you hold these,
I
please?
see the fruit. All right.
Now you've seen everybody else do it. Let's see what you can do. There we go. You're getting set up.
That's where I got to. I'm like,
I can't mentally do it.
Okay, that's fine.
do it.
It's not everybody's thing.
Nope. Okay.
I couldn't do it physically. My back was like, no.
Okay, we're gonna head that way, climb over a rock, stay to the right, and then we're gonna meet them at the Y. The Y in the path. And we'll be all set.
Thank you.
No problem. Here we go. Okay, now I know what they can do.
Nice.
I'm going to send them on some wild chases.
I love that.
We're going to go this way. This way, guy.
Oh, sorry.
To the right. I mean, that way eventually gets there, but...
Hello. Coming through. I do not. That's the easy way. Somebody just. That was awesome, guys. Should be proud of yourself for going through that. He did say, now I know what these kids are capable of, now I'll send them back.
No, buddy, too big. Too big and my back doesn't bend that
Where
way
did you
anymore.
guys come out of?
Oh, through here?
All the way up there.
Oh, wow.
Like for the first couple people, on your hands and knees, like varnish on it.
All right.
Like stomach on.
Now, down there
Listen up.
is if you go over these rocks, let me get down here a little bit more to, sorry. If you go down there, you'll see a hole that's like triangular shaped. Okay, yeah, you can go down there. And
Wait until he's
but
done.
slow down, slow down.
No.
That explains the whole thing. Pay attention to the whole thing. Okay, because when you get down there, you're gonna have to get out. When you go down there, it's a smaller room. It's high enough to stand in. Okay. On the right hand side, there's a crawl space that you can go and explore. It doesn't really go anywhere. It's an out and back, and it gets really tight, but it opens up when you get at the end. You can turn around and come back. To get out of that room, there's a couple of different ways. As you're facing into the room and you're going into that room, on the left-hand side, you'll see a shelf, okay? And it has an opening about this big on top of the shelf. And you kind of hoist yourself up onto it. You're going to have to get the little guys and boost them up. And you can crawl up there, up to the next passageway. Or you can go all the way to the very back of the room, the very, very back, and go behind the rock. Not over top of them, behind it. And there's another passage, it's about a foot wide, that you could squeeze behind. Okay? And that comes out in the same spot. Okay? And that all goes to the same place. If you don't want to do this, the walking passage is this way. Okay? But if you want to give that a try, give it a try.
All right, so once we're on the ledge, do we just, what do we do?
Oh, when you go through, I'm sorry, I should explain the whole thing. Put your feet through first, hold on to the outside and kind of like shimmy your way in sideways. You're going to want your back against the wall, put your feet in, shimmy in, and then drop down. It's about 3 foot down. It's not that far. Waist height, a little bit more maybe. That's about it. You kind of have to help each other do it, okay? And just take care of each other. Take care of your buddy. Take care of everybody behind you. Everybody in front of you, okay? And don't crowd, because if you crowd up, I don't want anybody to get kicked in the face with a muddy boot, okay? It's really unpleasant. I know for a fact. Okay? Have fun.
Kevin, what we doing?
Try it.
You'll fit, no problem.
Give us a second.
I mean, I fit in there easy, but I want to be out in front of you guys. I'm going to go this way so I can get pictures of you guys going out. I don't want pictures of your butts going up to the crack. I want to take pictures of your face.
All right.
Just take your time, because that is kind of slick and it's a little sketchy. So take care of the person behind you.
You got the stuff on. Yay! So you want to
We're
get
going
the
through this
stuff?
hole right here, right?
There you
I've
go.
never seen
3
it
points of
like that.
contact. Keep your center of gravity low.
Oh, you got stuff.
And don't go too fast.
I guess.
Okay, let me see what he's doing. Yeah, sideways with your back against the wall, big wall. That's it. You're doing good. You're holding yourself up, both legs through. And just kind of shimmy in. I think he disappeared. Did he make it? Yeah, I heard him.
That's my boy.
No, that Glenn.
Oh, he's dead. And he's dead. Oh no.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of your way if you guys want to do that.
Is this just like fitting through, or is this getting on your stomach and
On your side.
on your side? Okay.
On your side, both legs through. Unless you want to try head first.
Not like the portion as we just did now.
No, no, just straight in. It's actually, it's a lot bigger.
So I can keep on sitting.
This one I feel like I can do.
Dude.
Caden. Nice.
Oh, what? This is actually such a big hall.
Just remember to stay together.
Where are you? Oh, there's a tank through there.
Be careful.
Heard that?
Try to get both your feet through, both your legs. You said.
Your legs get back to the wall.
Then you gotta shimmy with your butt. I'd imagine it's almost like hopping, but I haven't done it.
I'd imagine.
In all of my experience.
So. 20 years.
In all of my 23 minutes of experience.
I've done dumb things before. I know I did.
Touche, salesman.
That's how you learn.
That boat has just started, my friend. You okay?
Back ain't built for this.
You need help? But now you got that. I do this better than just.
That's exactly what should be going through your head, because that's what's going through my head.
I did it amazingly. I just have
I just want to do
old
it better.
muscles.
I'm just saying better.
It's not stupid if it works.
I can or I can't. Why is this so big off there?
It is a little tricky.
Okay, maybe I need to do it like that.
You kind of have to hold yourself up off the edge. Because you can get jammed into the rock there.
Yeah, you did a pretty good job there. I see what you're saying.
There you go. Yeah, up on your side. Both legs. You got it.
Before you go all the way through, Jack, look back then.
Dude, I don't know if I can get that out of here.
You got it.
Lift yourself up a little bit off the edge.
I can't.
That doesn't give me a lot of faith. Yeah.
Like your butt needs to go up here, but my butt is underneath here. And my
Yeah, yeah.
in between here.
The widest part is not really at the bottom.
I mean, at least try. I'm probably going to be doing about face.
At least I tried. That's all I can say. Ooh.
It's kind of awkward.
Yeah.
Jesus. I see what you're saying. Like the wide's up here.
Yeah, man, you got further.
That's it.
You got it.
I don't know if I do actually.
Yeah, you do.
You're there.
Nah, my chest doesn't want to go through. Nope.
Okay. Can I help you in any way, Jason?
I was gonna take a rest.
Here's good.
I'm about like half an inch too big.
I think you're bragging.
I really am in a pickle here now.
Just take a deep breath and just don't tire yourself out.
Yeah,
When you get tired, you make bad decisions, and don't make bad decisions
Yeah.
here.
kind of. You have to relax the muscles. When you
Cup the bolts.
My knee pad is hot.
can you reach up and grab
This up here,
a
Jason?
piece up top to pull yourself up a bit and then
There
relax.
we go.
There,
the rest of your body
that was
and-
a good call.
That's it.
I'm gonna get out of your way.
Nice.
Oh, I thought I had that one.
That's a tough little crack.
You okay, buddy?
Yep.
Good effort, man. Good effort.
You tried. So many people just look at it and go, no.
You okay, Jason?
Yes, sir.
Got a little drop here, Jason.